In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion Finance Tracker. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to add the Finance Tracker template to your workspace and how to start customizing it with your own income and expenses. First, open Notion and head to your main homepage. This is usually the screen you see when you first log in, with your sidebar of pages on the left. We'll be adding the Finance Tracker as a brand new page from here. Look toward the sidebar for the option to add a new page. Click on Add New. This opens up Notion's page creation panel. Instead of starting from a blank page, we want to use one of Notion's pre-built setups. So next, click on More Templates. This will expand the full template gallery, where you can browse different layouts. From here, you'll see a section that connects to the Notion Marketplace. Click on More in Marketplace. This takes you into a larger collection of templates created and shared for different use cases. In the Marketplace search bar, type in Finance Tracker. This helps you quickly filter down to templates related specifically to personal finance and budgeting. When you see the Finance Tracker template appear in the results, click on it to open its details. On the Templates page, click on Add. This will add a copy of the Finance Tracker into your own Notion workspace. Give it a moment to load, and once it's added, click on the newly created page in your sidebar to open it. If there's a prompt to see the template or preview it, click on See Template, so you can view the full layout. Inside the Finance Tracker, you'll see different sections and summary blocks, including one for total savings. Click on the Total Savings area to navigate into the main dashboard and associated databases that power these calculations. Next, locate the sample income entry, which might be labeled something like Income, $6,500. Click on that entry to open the detailed page for this transaction. This is where you can adjust the amount, the date, and any additional notes. Use the fields inside this page to replace the example numbers with your own real income. After updating, close the page to return to the main view. You can also click directly on amounts like $5,000 in the database to edit them in line. This is useful for quickly correcting or updating numbers without opening a full page. At the top of the tracker, you'll usually find different database views, such as one labeled Income and another labeled Expenses. Click on the Income view to focus only on money coming in, and then click on Expenses to switch over to your spending. Use these views to organize, review, and update your finances as you go. That's the basic flow. Add the template from the marketplace, open it, replace the sample income amounts with your own, and switch between the income and expense views to keep everything up to date.